Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Noel. I hope you're doing great. As I'm doing very fine. I thank God for that. So today's video, guys, I'm gonna bring you different things. First of all, I'm gonna show you the furniture I purchased, and it's so beautiful, guys. So stay tuned so that you can be able to see what it is. Another thing, I'm gonna show you some bit of fashion for one item, and also another thing and last thing, I'm gonna show you how to arrange my fridge. I've never shown you how I arrange my fridge, so I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna arrange some few things that I purchased on the fridge and name them. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead, subscribe, like, and also comment to my videos and share if you can. And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so very much for staying tuned and always supporting me. So guys, this is the outfit of the day. Of course, it has skirts and earlets, and there is cardigan. Yeah guys, so without further ado, let's get into the video. First thing first, so let me show you what I purchased, and guess what on the comment section. Guess what exactly this thing is on the comment section. And yeah, drum roll, ta-da! Alright, so this is the deal. This is the thing, guys. You see? So I purchased this particular furniture here. It's a TV stand, and I just love the fact that it's black, it's white and black, matching with the theme of the house, and I just love it so very much, guys. So you can see, and also I got the space to so and also I got the space to decorate, because I had my two vases, they were getting idle. So at least now I got somewhere to place them and make sure that they are going well. So at the moment, you can see the wire still going on there. That's the aerial. Let me show you. It's the aerial going to the bedroom, and we'll fix it sooner than later. We are gonna fix it. So guys, so this is the thing that we wanted to do, and we actually did it. I thank God for everything, for the small achievements. I really thank God for it, because it hasn't been easy, you know, achieving something that you had planned for the year. We thank God for it. So many things coming, and anything that I'm gonna buy, even if it's a matchbox, guys, I'm gonna show you. And also I love this part, because I had nowhere to put this particular thing there. There is a lot of dust here, I need to clean. So this particular art going on here, it's written family here. I love it so very much. At the moment, I haven't figured it out. I haven't figured out where I'm gonna put it, but at the moment, let it just stay there. So it looks so awesome. And also I placed these, yeah, you can see it's another deco here, and it's looking so well. So at the moment, at least this place looks less lived in. You can see it's so emptied, and I love the fact that this thing is playing a major role here. And also we have another vase here. I decided to just put this card here because I haven't found, or I haven't bought other flowers. At the moment, this clock is just staying here because I haven't found something to hang on, but I'll do. And then I have my sanitizer right here. So everything is looking so perfect at the moment. I can't complain, but we are gonna fix everything to look so amazing. Okay. Yeah guys, so that's the thing. So we are done with the first
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the middle of the set, never met. She's so bad, and she ain't made the bed. inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most.
The fashion, I do have these two pieces here, as you can see, and it's green in color. I don't know what shade of green it is. Is it Bermuda green or something? Comment down below in the comment section, let me know about this exact color. So it's a two-piece, and it's a skirt and a top here, as you can see, and I love the design going on here. I love the fact that it's also long sleeve, and it has collars right here. So that means you can either do this outfit in an office setup or rather in a casual setup. Depending on what occasion you want to do, then it's a perfect outfit for you. Also, it's a decent outfit, as you can see. It's not that short, it's just sizable. You can do it. It's a decent one, of course, and it's professional. So depending on what exactly or how exactly you're gonna match your outfit. So for me, I decided to match with this particular bralette because I do not have a perfect top for it. So I decided to do this white bralette, but I can see it's matching well. And also I'm doing these silver loop earrings here and these black heels, as you can see. So everything is going well. The material is so perfect and comfortable. And here, guys, so comment down below, what do you think about this two-piece? Yeah, comment. And also the color of this green here. All right. I do not take it for granted. Thank you so very much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you are my returning subscriber, as always, thank you so very much for staying tuned as always. So guys, go ahead, like the video if you love it, comment, and also share to your family and friends. And yeah, what do we say? Let me see you on my next video. Au revoir.